Hi, my name's Tamara Donn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do EFT and give you a mini tapping experience. And if you do choose to tap along with me, I ask that you agree to take full responsibility for your own well-being. So I get lots of comments that EFT is weird, and it is weird, but the really amazing thing is that it works as well. And I just want to share with you a few testimonials that I've received. So the first one's from a client who was very scared of having an operation in hospital. So we did some tapping together and she was able to go into hospital, have the operation, everything was successful. And she says that EFT did what it said on the lid. It gave me freedom from emotions that have seen me kicked out of hospital before for being too hysterical. And then also another testimonial from someone who came to one of our workshops, and she said, I spent all my life trying to find out what was wrong with me. Now I feel free and everything makes sense. And finally, a psychotherapist who came to one of our trainings, and she said, I felt I've had the equivalent of a couple of years worth of therapy in 3 days of EFT training. So now I'm going to go through the tapping points, and I'm not going to use all the points in every video, but I just want you to get a sense of each of them. So let's start with the top of the head. So it's basically tapping on the top of the head like this. The next point is the third eye. So that is in between the eyebrows and just a little bit up from there, and just use 2 or 3 fingertips. And the next point is the beginning of the eyebrow. You can use either hand, either side, or both sides. It doesn't really matter. And the next point is the side of the eye at the end of the eyebrow. And again, you can do this or you can do that. It really doesn't matter. The next point is under the eye. So that's not in the eye socket. It's just on the bone under the eye. The next point is under the nose, and the next one is under the lower lip, on the chin. And the next point on the collarbone is if you take the dip in your throat and you go 1 inch down and 1 inch across, that is the point. So it's not actually on the sternum, which is the bone here, and it's not on your shoulder bone. So if you imagine there's a corner like this, it's the fleshy bit in that corner. And it's just there. And if you're not sure, just use the whole hand slightly to the side of your centre of your chest. The next point is under the arm on the bra strap. And the next few points are on your hands. So the first one is at the beginning, it is at the corner of the thumbnail. So if you put your hand down, it's the corner which is on the side of the hand closest to the body. So if my hand's like that, so not the inside corner, the outside one. And you just tap like that. The next one is the same point on the first finger. And the same point on the second finger. The same point on the ring finger. The same point on the little finger. And the next one is on the side of the hand. Again, either side is fine. Some people like to do it like this, the karate chop point. And the final point is the centre of the chest or the heart chakra. And on this point, we don't tap, we just take a deep breath and often say transform. So that's it. Let's actually do a round of tapping together, and all I ask is that you take responsibility for your own well-being as you're tapping. So just think of something that's bothering you right now. It might be achy shoulders or some anger or some stress, whatever it is. And you can just, instead of saying this problem, you can say this anger or stress or headache. So just repeat after me, tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. And we do that again. Even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. And then we go to tapping through the points. We do all the points twice. So the top of the head, just tap on that point and repeat after me, this problem. And then the eyebrow point, this problem. Side of the eye, this problem. Under the eye, this problem. Under the nose, this problem. Under the lower lip, this problem. Collarbone, this problem. Under the arm, this problem. And we repeat that all over again, starting with the top of the head, this problem. Eyebrow, this problem. Side of the eye, this problem. Under the eye, this problem. Under the nose, this problem. Under the lower lip, this problem. Collarbone, this problem. Under the arm, this problem. And then there's an optional final point which you can put your hands in the centre of your chest, say the word transform and take a deep breath. Transform. And that's all there is to it. So happy tapping, enjoy your tapping. I hope that helps you to use some of my audios and videos. And if you have any questions or you want some more information, do email me at transformationforwomen@gmail.com or look on my website, tamaradonn.co.uk.